Hello friends, welcome to Trend Tech Guide. Today I'll show you how to change cover photo on REDnote app. So if you are new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe. So let's start. First of all, you can see I'm here in my REDnote app. Now to change cover photo, on the bottom right you can see here is me, me. Just tap on this. And over here you can find your profile. Now to change cover photo, just tap on this free space over here, and over here tap on this change cover. Now from here select a cover picture. For now I'll tap on this random picture over here, and after that tap on this red icon on the bottom right. Now just refresh, and now just tap on this cover photo again, and you can see this is my cover photo which I recently changed. So in this way we can change cover on REDnote app. So if you find this helpful, don't forget to subscribe. Have a good time.